welcome back to the Kiss by Royalty show. I'm just joking, guys. Welcome back for another video. For today's video is going to be a mini hair tutorial. It's just I'm going to show you guys how I get my hair back into a slick back ponytail using some regular braiding hair that I got from my local beauty supply store. This Expression Twist It Up Springy Afro Twist 16-inch, and I used this hair before for a previous video and I only had it in for like 15 minutes, I swear to God. So this is how the hair is looking. I already latched it on to a scrunchie or headband, and the texture of this hair is very soft, and the curls definitely giving us 4B, 4C, or a bit of 4A texture, like after a twist out or a probably like a 3 or 4 day wash and go. So I'm going to attempt to do my hair. I'm not a hairstylist or anything like that, so I'm going to use my Soft and Silky styling gel. I'm going to use some edge control, my detangling brush, hairbrush, comb, and my afro brush, my afro comb, right? So I'm just going to separate my hair into sections. Well, my hair is already separated into sections because I'm starting on freshly washed hair. My hair is literally still drenching wet from out of the shower, just how I like it. So I'm just going to start from the back of my head, and then I am going to, let's just go with the flow, right? I'm going to show you how my hair is looking currently after being dried for, oh my god, 24 hours or so. It's the waves for me. It's the waves for me. You see them out here looking wavy? Straight wear. Straight wear. So guys, I'm just going to latch on the hairpiece. So I just sprayed some water in it and shake it up. Shake it up. Shake it up. All right. So I'm just going to attach it to the back of my bun. Dun 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 dun. Situational. Your girl has a bun. Yeah. Right. So I'm just going to latch it on. I'm gonna spread it around just a couple times. Then I'm going to take a piece of the hair and I'm just going to wrap it around that bun, and I'm just going to take a hair clip and I'm just going to fasten that on the back. Just going to do the same thing. Just gonna shake that out again. So that is how my hair is looking, guys. It matches my hair so well. So super cute, super cute. It looks exactly like my hair. Braid wear, not here. Alright guys, so that's the end of my video. Hope you guys like. Hope you guys like, share, comment, and subscribe. And drop in the comment section what you guys want me to do next. Bye guys.